The future depends on green technology, on innovations that shape the way we live, the resources we consume, and the impact we make on our environment. The XLERATOreco hand dryer sets a new standard in hand drying efficiency and sustainability. Its new no-heat technology dries hands while using only 500 watts of energy, making it one of the most energy efficient and environmentally friendly hand dryers on the planet. XLERATOreco offers many of the features and benefits of the original patented XLERATOR hand dryer, eliminating the cost, maintenance, and waste of paper towels, while reducing your facility's carbon footprint. Drawing a maximum of 4.5 amps or less allows for the installation of multiple XLERATOreco units on one circuit, significantly reducing installation costs and creating a typical return on investment of less than 1 year. XLERATOreco helps facilities qualify for several LEED credits, Green Globes, and other certifications to achieve corporate and government sustainability goals. Get on the cutting edge of green restroom technology with the XLERATOreco. XL Dryer. Time to throw in the towel.